not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Back to my YouTube channel, it's your girl Leah Dev. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. You guys are just gonna see me getting ready, do my hair, do my makeup, it's like a little chit chat and whatever. And yeah, this will be my first ever get ready with me, so that is nice. I'm gonna do my everyday makeup look, like a slightly glam, but just everyday, like, do you know what I mean? I'm just going town. So might as well just show you guys how I get ready, so let's get into the video. I've already glued this on, so I'm just going to start on my makeup, and hopefully that doesn't take too long because boy. So I've already moisturized my face, so I'm going to just start off with a primer. This one is called Shine Killer from NYX. I call it NYX, some people call it NYX. Put on a little bit of primer. Because it's Shine Killer, I don't know if you will be able to tell, but like my face will go matte actually, like it will start to get rid of all the shine. I usually have oily skin. I feel like I don't have as oily skin as I used to. I feel like my oily skin is starting to reduce. I actually do recommend if you have oily skin. Like back in the day when I used to put makeup on, after like a few hours, like my makeup, like you could see the oil coming out, but because of the Shine Killer, like boy, it kills your shine. It reduces the shine so much, like honestly, like in a few hours, instead of me being oily, a bitch still look the same. So next I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to put concealer underneath my eyebrows. So this is in the colour Warm Honey. You know how some people say your eyebrows should be, oh my gosh, look at me. Boy, Taurus. But you know how like some people say like, your eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. Like a bitch, no, I want them to be twins, the same. I want them to be sisters and have like similarity. I want them to be twins, like like I want to get them as symmetrical as possible. So baby boy, I'm gonna try and make mine twins, even though they're probably not gonna look like twins, but we'll try. So for on top of my eyebrows, oh my god, I look so weird. I look so weird. If I find it, I'll put it in the description box below. No beach plus bus. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm going to be mixing it in with this Maybelline one as well. I'm going to be putting concealer on, so I'm going to be using the same one that I used for my eyebrows. I've realised that coming closer into your nose, like it just gives it a different look. Like it just makes it just so much more like defined. Who are you? These parcels aren't even for me. They're from my mom. But yeah, I ordered them because she wants me to decorate her room, because obviously I decorated mine just so nicely. Bitch, I had a breath. Okay, so I usually go on top with another LA Pro Girl concealer in the colour Pure Beige. And look as well. So I just put like a little bit in the corners of my eyes. So I'm going to be using this Revolution palette to do my eyeshadow. So I got my nails done this colour, so pink and then green tips. And the reason why I did that colour is because these nails I bought from Primark, which I'm sorry for only £1. Bear in mind mine were like £35 or whatever. These nails that look exactly like my nails. It's a different pink because obviously this pink is way too light for me. But imagine these for £1 from Primark, and they're actually quite long as well. So like say I put it on top of my nail, like, it's longer than my actual nail. Honestly, like Primark, yeah, they do a madness with their like beauty section. They actually try to like, they've actually expanded it so much than like they used to back in the day. If you want to quickly just stick something on, you're going somewhere and you haven't got your nails done, like I actually recommend them. They're actually so good. But yeah, I actually wanted mine done the same way, so that's why I got my nails done. So now I'm going to move on to my powder. So I use this, but it's just a Sacha Buttercup. So like I said, like putting it close into my nose, like it just makes a whole difference. I don't even know why. Like I just saw someone do it one day and I was like, boy, let me see what they're doing. I want it to be proper defined, so I'm just going to leave this on here, and then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. So right now I'm using the NYX matte bronzer. And then I like to go in with, oh my goodness, this is like a, if you're a nice chocolate gal, you need to literally invest in this Fenty Beauty. It looks like this. It is called Makamami. This makes a whole difference to your makeup, like boy. It's just so hot. And again, I literally recommend this so much. The Maybelline New York Latin Drama liquid eyeliner, colour matte. When I mean this is literally a game changer. It goes so matte. Why can't I open it? But yeah, no, I literally recommend this once it's open.
A few moments later.
So then I'm going to put on some mascara. So the mascara I'm going to be using is the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama. You know, I'm doing my makeup in such different orders. These Faux Mink 3D lashes. These. So I'm going to stick them on with this hair glue. I've got the white one, but I usually have it in like that grey colour, like grey black colour. It goes clear, by the way, it doesn't stay white. And then I literally just, so whilst that's drying, I'm literally just gonna get rid of the excess powder. Because my eyeshadow has like colour in it, I'm just gonna put some colour underneath my... So I usually put like a darker colour on the end, and then when I come close into my eye, to the corner of my eye, I usually put like a lighter colour. So for example, I'm using these two colours, and then I'm probably going to be using like these lighter shades, so like this one mixed with like this one. Setting spray that I use is this NYX. I feel like I use so much NYX. Dewy Finish setting spray. And this just literally makes my like matte face just go so dewy. Hopefully this is all dry now. Okay, so I've just highlighted off camera. The highlight I use is this Illamasqua highlighter by the symbol, I think you can tell, but it's very old. So like I literally got this like what, 5 years ago, and it is just so good. Like it's in the, I think it's in the colour champagne, if I can remember. Like it's actually been so long, like it's literally so old, like everything, the label's got off everything. But it's just so good. Like this is my go-to, like if I'm going just like out like I'm going today, or like if I'm actually going to like glam up, like this is my go-to highlighter. I feel like it did cost over £30, so like obviously it's not like the cheapest, but it's actually so good. Like, but literally like all you have to do is like literally dip it in, probably like 2-3 dips, and then like it literally just, oh my goodness, I wear it everywhere I go. Like I really do recommend this. But yeah, so it does give you like a nice highlight. I'm gonna move on to my lips. I'm gonna use this priming lip butter. This was from Primark. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Push Up lipstick. So off camera I put on some brown lip liner. This is my makeup look. So I'm going to move on to my hair now, because I think my face is like pretty much finished. Just pre this highlighter though, like pre this highlighter, like what? We can move on to actually like just doing my hair. I need to just probably straighten it and take this off. So I'm just going to go and straighten my hair. Okay, so I've just finished doing my hair. I can't lie, it's not even the straightest, but it is what it is. I use this serum, the VO5 Heat Protection. So it just helps to like stop the frizz. But yeah, I just straightened it, just kind of went casual because I'm only going out to like eat. I'm just going to comb through it. Ooh, who are you? Okay, right, this might be like a shock to some people, but like I've never been to Five Guys. I don't know if that's a shock, or like, is it common for people to not have been Five Guys before? So I'm going to go Five Guys today and like just try their food for the first time, I guess. But I can't wait, because obviously everybody always talks about their burgers, Cajun fries, their like hot dogs. I don't know why, but so many people keep telling me like, oh yeah. I'm like, what do you get? Hot dog. I asked another person, what do you get? Don't tell me it's hot dog. Hot dog. I'm gonna make sure that I do get a hot dog, but I'm gonna share it, and then I'm gonna get a burger. So yeah, I'm going town for that reason, but then also I'm gonna go town because I want to go and grab like, you know what, since lockdown I've actually not been to like the city centre. I feel like I've run out of like new shoes. So like I usually always buy, like for me when it comes to trainers, yeah, you have to have specific trainers. Like I can't have like, oh yeah, these are just fresh out, okay cool, like we're just gonna get that. I have to have trainers that look a certain way, like they have to look so nice. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go town, probably look for some trainers, probably just go shopping, look for some more clothes or whatever, because I've actually just, all I do is go online shopping, and it's like I actually don't want to just go online shopping. That's the reason why I'm actually gonna go out and go town, also to grab myself a nice Five Guys. But yeah, so like you guys tell me as well, like what do you guys get from Five Guys? Like what is your like go-to orders? And please don't tell me it's a hot dog. Hot dog is a snack. A hot dog is not a meal. Like a hot dog is a snack. we need to actually see what I'm gonna wear. I actually have no idea, but probably it's really hot outside. I think, let's check the degrees, because boy, the weather is hot. 32 degrees, like this is why I have my fan next to me, because it's gonna give me that like model look, you know what I mean, when the wind's blowing. It's 32 degrees, so we're gonna have to wear something that's like, apparently it's meant to thunderstorm at 5 o'clock, so I need to make sure I bring a jacket, and I need to make sure I bring an umbrella. You know what, I actually don't check the weather when I go out. I need to start, because you need like random thunderstorms when it's 32 degrees heat, but we move. But yeah, so let's just pick out my outfit and see what I'm gonna wear. Yeah, I love lip gloss. But yeah, so we're just gonna choose an outfit and see what we can pick out. I already said it's sunny, it might rain, so I need like, kind of like a jacket or something. So I've got this outfit on. I've got this denim jacket. This denim jacket is from Shein, and I've got this, and I think this is from FIRST. Yeah, so I paired these two together with this bag where I'm just gonna put like my ID and like just my card, my phone, and like my money in here. And then I'm gonna wear it with some trainers. Don't know which trainers I'm gonna wear it. So I'm probably gonna wear it with these trainers, these Nike ones. It was just like a little cute fit, do you know what I mean? So let me put these on and let's see what it is. So I've just added this little cute little necklace. This is actually from Primark, but it's actually so cute. These shoes, just like my normal Nike shoes. They've got Nike written all over them. I don't know if you guys can. You can't come for me saying, yeah, legs look dry, because my legs are oiled, alright? They're oiled. But so yeah, this is my little fit, my little get ready with me. I should do you guys like a little fashion walk. I hope you guys really like this get ready with me. Let me know if you want me to do any more, because I definitely will. If you want me to do a get ready with me, like probably like a date night one, going out with my friends, my girls, whatever. Let me know other videos you guys would like to see from me as well. I'm probably going to show you some pictures of my food today, or like what I even did today, like a few little snapshots of what I did. But yeah, so thanks for getting ready with me. I enjoyed your company. So make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.